Okay. Hello students. This is a small video that I'm making to explain you a small activity that I will be sharing with you. The activity will be shared in the various classrooms. So it will look like this. When you go to your respective classroom, the activity will look like something like this. New material. GOC. GOC stands for Generations of Computers. That is your chapter number 1. So what you will do is just open the activity and you will find this particular file here. Okay, and just open this file. You will come to this page. Here you will see this small button on top. Okay, just click this button. When you click this button, this activity has opened in your Google Drive. Now you still cannot use this activity. In order to use this activity, you have to download this particular app from Google. It is known as Google Slides. If it is already there in your phone, it will automatically open, but if it is not there, you need to download. Click this button here and you see this installation will begin. I will install this particular file for the app for me. Yes, so after the installation is over, just click this button here and the welcome message will come. You just click OK. Remember, this process is only going to happen when you do not have Google Slides. If you already have Google Slides installed on your phone, then it's okay. On a computer, it does not really matter, because computers, the Google Slide is by default. When you use a Google Chrome, you get Google Slides. Now what you need to do is, if you tap this file here, you see this file is here, this particular file. This is a particular table, as you can see, very clearly written. First generation computers, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation, and here another thing, and there is a table here. In this column you will write the various years from when to when was these particular generations of computers applicable. Then what was the special technology that made this particular generation, and you have to give me an example of the generation of computers. Now how will you do that? You will just tap this file here and this button will come. It says edit slide. You just edit the slide and you will click each and every box. Now you see here I have clicked one box, and if I double click here, you see this editor button comes, and I can just change the date. I just change the date here. Try and do that. You can just give 19, let's say 47 1940. You can write whatever is the correct date, 1947 to let's say 1956. all right, and with this you just tap each cell, and here you will type the technology, here you will type the example, and you have to do each cell, and at the end of it just click the tick mark on top. You see this small tick mark in the corner. After you have done the filling, just click the tick mark and this particular file will be saved. After you are done, just click the cross mark after the tick mark. It will turn into a cross mark. Just click the cross mark here and again the cross mark, and come back to the classroom. After you press a tick mark, the work will come to me and it will be submitted with me. Okay, so I'll be sharing this first and watch this video. After this I will be sharing the process of how to do this activity online. Okay, chalo, thank you very much, bye bye.